Today, I feel very happy and honored to participate in this ceramic art activity at Jingdezhen Ceramic University. It's a wonderful opportunity for me to experience and also to learn about the Chinese traditional art, to experience the ceramic art carefully shape and also create beautiful pottery. It makes me appreciate the skill and also the talent and the passion needed for this craft.
We go to museum and then we made the master there. Today it's like a wonderful day for me. Porcelain is not only just a porcelain or just a ceramic. It's an art.
Ceramic is about old techniques mixing with the new techniques of the modern world that we are living in now. So ceramic culture isn't stuck in the past, but rather it's still live within us. It's like a conversation across time, and that makes it really so meaningful to me.
Today we learn how to make ceramic pieces, and we use clay to make ceramics. The teacher teaches us how to shape clay, and I made 2 pieces today, and I'm so happy to be here today.